Hey you guys, I'm so excited to share with you about these really awesome pins that you can use for school. You can use them in the office, you can use them just whenever you feel like. We always have to write things down. We gotta make grocery lists, we've gotta, make the list of things we have to do for the day. Whatever you use pins for, I definitely recommend these. These are gel ink pins. I remember when gel was super popular. I still like to write with gel, it's better than those other kind. So I'm just going to open them up, show you the pins, and show you how nice and smooth they write. Here's, they come in this cute little package. There are 5 different colors, and they're actually really smooth. They're really smooth, like pin cases too. So you want to make sure you take those little points off the end of them there. Doesn't want to come off very easily. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and write with them. Yay! So I've got this little paper here. They actually write really nice and smooth. I'm not even like writing very good because I don't have anything behind me. But they write really nice and they have great ink. I like that the tip is like finer, so you can write smaller. So definitely give these a try. Wanted to let you know that it also comes with 5 refilling ink things. So when the ones run out that are in there, you have the refills. Yay!